The 10 commandments of buying a home. Listen up, getting your offer accepted is not the end of the home buying process. If you're not careful, that dream home can quickly become a missed opportunity.
Hi, this is Andrea Larson with eXp Realty.
And I'm here to save you from losing out on your dream home even after you've gotten it accepted. Over the years, we have seen many buyers make these mistakes after they've gone into contract on their homes. But once that contract is in place, you would want to avoid these 10 things. Don't change jobs or become self-employed or quit your job. Don't buy a new car, van, or truck, or you may end up living in it. Don't use any charge cards or let your accounts fall behind. Do not spend any money that you have set aside for closing. You want to save that. Don't omit any debt or liabilities from your loan application. Don't buy any furniture, even if the payment is deferred until closing. Don't allow any additional inquiries on your credit except for insurance purposes. Don't make any large deposits or take any large deposits out without first checking with your lender or your agent. Don't change bank accounts. Don't co-sign for any loans or for anyone, not for a car, a house, not for anything, no matter what. And be sure to tell your lender if you already have co-signed for anyone, because that debt goes against you and it needs to be accounted for when getting approved by your lender. Follow these 10 commandments of buying and you will make the process that much easier and ensure that you end up living in that home that you desire. Give me a call and I will be sure to give you all the information you need to stay safe, and I assure I can close on your home once you've been accepted. And I love where I live and I want you to love where you live too, in this beautiful state of sunny Arizona.